Hey guys, welcome back to yet another Discord video. So in this video, I'm just going to update you guys on new quests that you can do to claim the Discord orbs. So there is a new one today. If you scroll down here and go to discover, if you go to quests, there's going to be one here. It's called the Wildgate launch quest. You'll need to watch the video in order to win another 700 orbs. It ends on the 29th, so in 6 days-ish. So I'm just going to start the video quest. I'm going to authorize the quest, and then I'll be right back when I've finished watching the entire video and have claimed the orbs. Once you've finished watching the trailer, just select claim reward here and you'll get another 700 orbs. You can now explore the shop or whatnot, and now my balance is 1,550 in about 2 weeks, I think. I don't remember, but I think it's a week actually. It started on the 15th of July, so right around 1 week. So just keep opening quests. I'll obviously try to remind you guys when there's a new Discord orb quest so that you can do it before it expires, because I know that sometimes people don't check it as much, but I kind of have to check it every single day for content and stuff. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.